morning, my name is Nihal Singh and I am from Proud Technologies. Today I am going to give you the demonstration on Stenographer. Alright, so this is the login screen of Stenographer, and if you want to get into the Stenographer panel, you need to fill the password and username. So the username is STN773418 and the password is right. So this is the password, and after entering the username and password, just click on the sign in button and you will get into the Stenographer panel, right? So this is the panel of Stenographer, and this is the dashboard of Stenographer, and as we can see that there are 5 stages where all the cases are exist. For example, like today's allotted cases is equals to 0. It means that, as I told you in earlier sections, that if a case is allotted today on today days, to automatically the file will come into the today allotted cases. Alright, and if the file is old, not today's file, maybe yesterday, day before yesterday, or backdated file, so that file will come into the into all allotted cases. And today hearing cases, it means that if there is any hearing on today days, so that hearing case file come into the today hearing cases. Next hearing cases, if there is any future hearing, maybe on tomorrow, day before, day after tomorrow, or in future days, so that file case come into this. As we can see that there is one, it means that there is one case which is in on next date, so that is why it is coming 1. Alright, and if you want to check the detail of this case, just click on the number. Automatically you will get a screen where you can check all the details of the case. Alright, so this is the case, and this is the serial number, this is the case number, it's CR623937, and this is the case type, this is the petitioner, this is the respondent name. Alright, and if you want to check more detail of the case, you just need to click on the case number, and automatically you will get all the details, basic details of the case. And alright, and you can also search case by just typing the case number, right? So this is the dashboard of Stenographer, right? And let me tell you what is Stenographer. Stenographer work under the court judge, alright, as I told you earlier, that receiving registrar clerk, which is also working under the court judge. Alright, so court judge gives statement on the case, on the file, so that file comes into the receiving registrar clerk panel, and stenographer and secretary, these three panels working under the court judge. Alright, so stenographer is one of them. Alright, so this is the dashboard of the stenographer panel, and you can also view the cause list. Right, so this is the cause list of the stenographer. As I told you in court registrar clerk panel, there are 4 tabs: assigned cases, pending cases, deceased cases, and allotted to bailiff case. Alright, so same thing is happening here. There are 4 stages. You can say that there are 4 tabs: assigned cases, pending cases, deceased cases, and allotted to bailiff case. Alright, so as we can see that assigned cases, how many cases are assigned to this stenographer whose ID is STN773418. Alright, so as we can see that there is no details on it, means that we don't have any case right now. That is why it is showing this message. Alright, so just click on the pending cases. Yes, we have 1 pending cases. Now the case number is CS307622. Case type is civil. Registration number is REG864589. Registration name and the court name, court 2, entry name, process, and if there is any hearing. For example, as we have 1 case on next hearing date, so that case is on future date. Alright, and if you want to give any other next date, so you just need to click on this link. Automatically you will get a calendar where you can fix another hearing on future date. Alright, so that is why it is next hearing. Alright, and hearing statement, for example, like a judge announce any statement or anything on the particular case, so at that time stenographer can upload the statement into the particular file. So this is link for the statement, hearing statement, and select to ballot. If the case is over or judge want to get the acknowledgement from the petitioner, so at that time the case will allot to the bailiff, and bailiff get acknowledgement from the petitioner to the court. For that we can allot a case to the bailiff. Alright, and process has also a link that is called disposed of. It means that if you want to dispose the case, it means that if you want to finish the case, at that time you will click on the dispose case. That case automatically disclose finish. Alright, and that case go into the case keeper panel, and we will tell you more about the case keeper in our next session. Alright, so this is the pending case. After that, deceased case. So we don't have any deceased case right now. As I told you earlier, that deceased case means that case there is nothing going on the deceased case. Allot to bailiff. As I told you earlier, that if the case is allotted to bailiff, so a stenographer can see here how many cases are allotted to bailiff and who is the bailiff who is going to get the acknowledgement from the petitioner. Alright, so this is the cause list of stenographer. Right, so just click on the case diary. Alright, so as I told you earlier, in case diary, if there is any case, a stenographer can view that case, particular case on this calendar. As we can see that on 2nd of March there is little pink color. It means that there is a case hearing on 2nd of March. Alright, so if stenographer want to see all his hearing cases or hearing dates, so they can just click on the case diary, and they will this calendar will appear on the front of their screen, and they will give all the they can view all the cases. Alright, so this is the case diary of the stenographer. Alright, and case search. Just click on the case search. Alright, so this is case search means that if you want to search any case by the given parameters, you just need to give the case number, case suit number, case type, sub case type, status, and date from to date to. Alright, and just click on the search button, you will get the particular file. Right now we have only 2 cases, so it is very easy to get a particular case. But for example, if we have more than 500 or 5000 cases, then we can give the given parameters to the cases, and we can search out the case. For example, like if we have the case number, just click on the given text box and give the case number. Alright, and if you don't have any case number, you can give the case suit number on the given text box, and when you click on the search button, you will get the case. And if you don't have case number, either case suit number, then just click on the case type. Alright, when you click on the case type, you will get the type of case. How many types of case are there? Civil, criminal, petitioner, or anything else. So just click on that particular case and click on the search button. You will get the cases by case type, and you can also search the case by from date between 2 dates. Right, you can give 2 different dates, and you can get the case of between these 2 dates. Alright, so that is for you can search by date also. So these are the given parameters by which you can search a particular case. That is a case search. Alright, and that is documents detail. Alright, so what is document details? For example, if a case hearing is going on in the front of court judge, and at that time if if judge want any document from the petitioner, or court clerk want to give any document to the judge, so that particular document will be uploaded on the particular file. For that, documents details are here. If you want to upload any documents, you can upload the documents here, or if you want to view any previous document, you can check that document from here, right? So that is our document details. All right. So this is all about the stenographer panel, and this is all for the day, and we will give you more demonstration on our next panel. So till then, thank you, bye bye.